Positive characters, negative characters, supporting roles, main leads, South films, Hindi films, item numbers and ads. अपने short career span में they have done it all and all on their own. Please welcome the maximum stars Neha Dhupia and Sonu Sood. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
आपकी फिल्म का नाम है Maximum और आपने अपने करियर में maximum unconventional चीजें की हैं. As far as I know, no Godfather in the industry when you guys came in. तो वो initial push कहाँ से मिला? Wasn't it hard?
एक वक्त था जब सब मिस इंडियाज़ फिल्मों में जा रही थी. I also went along and played along.
और आपकी जर्नी बिना Godfather के कैसे शुरू हुई?
और मैं मिस इंडिया नहीं थी.
कोशिश पे दुनिया कायम है.
अब इतने तो खूबसूरत लगते हैं साड़ी में.
हाँ, तो बस ऐसे ही, I think. But like I said, I finished my engineering और पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद सोचा कि एक्टर बनना है. पेरेंट्स को बोला and they said कि बॉस जाओ, just go and achieve your dreams. Came to Bombay और फिर struggle office that office. लेकिन एक जुनून हमेशा बरकरार था कि होगा ज़रूर और धीरे-धीरे रास्ते खुद ब खुद तय होते हैं.
बिजनेस ऑफ बॉलीवुड ज़्यादातर एक फैमिली बिजनेस माना जाता है. बहुत सी फैमिलीज आपस में ही सब कुछ करती हैं. It's hard to penetrate these camps or the families as we call them.
कैंप्स खुद ब खुद बन जाते हैं जब आप काम अच्छा करते हैं और खुद ब खुद टूट जाते हैं जब आप काम बुरा करते हैं. मैंने सभी के साथ काम किया लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मैं किसी कैंप का हूँ और शायद अगर एक पर्टिकुलर कैंप का होता तो शायद दूसरे कैंप्स नहीं लेते पड़े. आई वुड से कि इट्स बेटर टू बी न्यूट्रल रेदर देन एक ही फैमिली को पकड़ के रहें और आप बोलें कि बस यही है मेरी ज़िंदगी की अल्टीमेट डेस्टिनेशन.
You think नया कैंप में घुसना आसान है, निकलना शायद थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है?
कई फैमिलीज हैं, 4-5 जिसे कहते हैं मेन sort of families, and having a last name like that definitely helps. पर जिस इंटेंशन के साथ आप घुसे हैं, if your approach is professional, तो फिर कुछ मुश्किल नहीं होता. But if your approach is one which is of of an intentional breakthrough and getting work out of friendship, तो फिर अलग हो जाता है. I'm assuming that ज़्यादातर जो मुझे काम मिलता है या all the time जो मुझे काम मिलता है is based on my merit. Obviously, I mean, if I was a big producer और अगर मुझे अपने भाई या बेटे या भतीजे को लॉन्च करना है, I won't think twice. मैं बाहर, I won't go out of my house, out of my own spaces. और अगर आप बाहर से हैं, there's a lot of pressure on us. हम भी अपना घर बाहर छोड़कर आए हैं. We've also come to a city like Mumbai. It's a city of dreams, and we're hoping that all the dreams that we've had, we'll be able to live and fulfill.
जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री का डिवाइड है, at some level one would think it should be the good actors versus the not so good actors, but it's all about the big and the small. You think वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा change चाहिए, because it should be just about the acting, but it's just about the big and small here.
There are, at the most basic level, दो चीज़ें बनती हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. या तो प्रोजेक्ट बनता है या फिल्म बनती है. A project is, you have 5 hit songs, 10 good action sequences, get a big A-lister star, lots of money, and then and then you get a vacant Friday और आप release करते हैं film. And then there is a film, which आपके पास एक script होती है, आप auditions करते हैं, आप पैसे ढूंढते हैं, you meet a set of people who you believe in, there are a set of people who believe in you and your work, and then you go to make that project. You release it with the faith that you will get an audience, and उसके बाद the fate of the film is up to the audience. So I feel that today, even the person sitting on the #1 position is under far more pressure than a newcomer is. क्योंकि there's so much more riding on that person. अगर नहीं चलेगा तो नुकसान उनका ज़्यादा होगा. Whereas if you do smaller films with sincere scripts, at some level, eventually they will get appreciated.
But there'll always be that difference between a good actor and an A-lister. That merge is somewhere, I don't know if it's Bollywood.
There is no disconnect. There is no disconnect. I think one of the finest examples is Imran Hashmi, according to me. Today he is a brilliant actor and he's an A-lister star. So वो connect हो रहा है. I don't think it's
probably stemming from an interesting conversation we had with Manoj Bajpayee, जिन्होंने Zoom में कहा था कि मैं चाहे कितना भी अच्छा एक्टर हो जाऊँ, मैं फिल्म बेच नहीं सकता. End of the day, जिस तरह से एक A-lister एक फिल्म को खींचता है, वो मुश्किल हो जाता है. So I think that's what we're trying to get at.
Again, I understand where Manoj Bajpayee is coming from, but you have to also see that जो आप जिनको A-listers कहते हैं, they are a complete package. I mean, with no debate over here. I mean, what a Shah Rukh can do with just spreading his arms wide open and his leading lady with a palla flying. That's enough for me to go sit in the theatre. Why? Because, you know, this is what we want as an audience. I mean, Indian cinema is defined by the lowest common denominator of society who wants nothing else except value for money. Whether we are going to buy vegetables or whether we are going to buy a movie ticket. So value for money comes when you get an entire package, which comes from our A-lister stars.
So maximum package.
Maximum.
Maximum profit.
Yeah.
Well, on that note, we really hope that Maximum gets maximum returns. And thank you so much for joining us on Business of Bollywood.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7.